Hello, guys. So, welcome back to our other episodes. So, today we are going to talk about the company called as Colossal Bioscience and their process and their idea on the de extinction processes and their idea based on the direwolf de extinction process. So, starting, what if extinction wasn't forever? What if science could bring back creatures lost to history? Meet Colossal Biosciences, a revolutionary biotech company which was founded by 2021 by a tech entrepreneur, Ben Lam. Is their mission bold? Yes, of course. It is to reverse extinction. They call that as de extinction. This changes the entire fictional world and brings back the direwolf. So the steps taken and the initiatives taken by the Colossal Biosciences include the direwolf, woolly mammoth, thylacine, ilex, dodo bird, and etc. But the first which they have de-extent is direwolf, and it is being bought. And the steps initiated by them is simple, and these are the one. So the DNA is the main thing for the direwolf to be brought back to its de-extinct life. But now, Colossal is working bring it back in. They began collecting DNA from two key samples, a single fossilized tooth over 13,000 years ago and a 72,000 year old skull. These were the two specimens. Next was sequencing and comparing. With DNA in hand, scientists compared the dire wolf genetic code to its closest living relative, which is the grey wolf. They collected grey wolf blood to extract white blood cell, red blood cell, endothelial, progenitor cells, essential for genetic editing, and etc. So, next is a challenging part, which was the editing and engineering life, which became very important for the dire wolf de extinction. Now, it comes to the most challenging part, genome sequencing, genome editing with the CRISPR, with the tools and etc., with AI, multiplex cell development, and cloning technique. Cloning technique was greatly identified and was a great example from the Dolly sheep, which was done by the process called as cloning. This continued. Their goal to produce a living, breathing proxy of a direwolf was not a perfect clone, but close enough to survive the wild. This was their major initiative to bring a dire wolf from de-extinction and survive the wild. This was their major initiative. Then, but why bring extinct species back? As per other critics, it is meant that extinct species are meant to be extinct because it is in nature's process and it does not need to be brought back from extinction to de-extinction. So, Colossal believes de-extinction can help restore lost ecosystem, better diversity, biodiversity, even fight climatic change. The future of the biodiversity lies in the hands of Colossal Biosciences. They are trying to bring back more animals from extinction, which are the grey wolf, red wolf, and dire wolf, which is already de-extincted. And again, it needs to continue the biodiversity and form the ecosystem and the food chain. This is a major initiative taken by the Colossal Biosciences, and we may hope that it may go better. Guys, the next interesting topic about this dire wolf is that it has an habitat over 2,000 acres. So this is not simple. It has lots of biodiverse creatures, animals, and etc. to make it as natural as possible. And it is been certified by the American Human Society. And